Here at Wilderness Auto Service, we pride ourselves in taking care of every customer's needs. Just drive on in and come see us. We can handle most any kind of repair or maintenance service on your vehicle. So let us make you happy. Stop by Wilderness Auto Service in Maple Valley. You'll be glad you did.
A good pair of wiper blades is essential for safe wet weather driving, and thankfully most wipers don't suddenly fail. They do, however, become less effective over time. Here are a few symptoms that indicate you should replace the windshield wiper blade. Streaking of windshield. Screeching or scraping sound when blades are operating. The blade is beginning to peel off. And of course, the rare possibility the blade breaks in the midst of wiping. Auto experts advise that traditional rubber blades should be changed every 6 months. The best time to replace is right after summer before the rainy season begins. But don't wait to change if they are not performing as well as they should. Most wipers are usually sold separately rather than in pairs. The traditional rubber blades can start at $7 and go up to $15 depending on what type of blade and size. Other types that have more features could go up to $50. If you're one who prefers to do it on your own, just find out the right make and model shared in your vehicle's owner's manual. Purchase them, then follow the instructions on how to connect them. But we are just a phone call away if you'd like us to take care of it all for you.
Thanks for watching. Now come see us.